teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Savashwa Sagar. I'm studying pre-KG. I'm very excited to talk about kindergarten and special day. Kindergarten is the first step in bringing our nature. K for knowledge, I for imagination, N for numbers, D for drawing, E for exercise, R for recitation, G for good friends, A for alphabets, R for reading, T for treasure of learning, E for excitement, L for next step to grade 1. Now I call upon my friends to share their kindergarten journey in Children's Vidyashram School. Please share them all. On the first day, I was both excited and little nervous. The teachers welcomed me with big smile and the bunny mask. I saw many new friends. Some were playing, some were drawing, and some were singing. I sang rhymes, played with toys, and learned to share with each other. I had fun the whole day. I am going to share my experience about festival celebrations at Surasanam Vidyashram. We celebrated Ramzan, Krishna Jayanti, Vinayak Chaturthi, Dasara, Onam, Diwali, Christmas and Pongal. From these celebrations, we came to know the reason why we celebrating these festivals. And I also learned about cultures and heritage of our country. Every successful school has good parents bonding with them. Sudarshan Vidyashram is good at that. The school conducted SB Master Chef, Mom and Meme, where mother and child prepare dishes and present them. We had yummy food that day. The school conducted Grandparents' Day, where all our grandparents played games, danced, and had fun. The grandparents make our life meaningful. I miss my grandparents. They are in my native place. Don't worry, Atulya. You can meet your grandparents during the summer vacation. Sure, I am eagerly waiting for it. We had presented by our teachers. I enjoyed the day by seeing puppets moving, dancing, and talking. Atulya, we had 3 different stories that day. Which one did you like the most? I like Jungle Book, where the animals talk, run, and dance. I still remember those 3 stories since I saw it visually. Thank you, teachers, for an excellent presentation. Now, I request my friends to share their journey in a swing. Today, I am going to talk about cross-button activities in our school. It helps us use the brain. Muscles are for arms, legs, and body. These activities make us strong, healthy, and full of energy. It also teaches teamwork and discipline. Today, I am going to talk about 5 modern activities. 5 modern activities help us use small muscles in our hands and fingers. In our school, we do activities like drawing, coloring, cutting with scissors, and clay molding. We also learn to button our shirt, tie our shoelaces. These activities make our hands strong and in poor handwritings. I enjoy these activities because they are fun and useful. Padmanila, do you know? We went to Chokidani for field trip. We saw camel, hut, bullock cart and Rajasthani dance. We also danced along with them. I enjoyed the travel in school bus along with my friends on that day. I enjoyed the trip singing Wheels on the Bus track. The wheels on the bus so round and round, round and round. Pratika, do you remember? Last year we went to Chennai Rail Museum. We saw different types of trains. Yes, Padmai, I remember. Pratika, now let me tell about important days we celebrated in the school. We celebrated Earth Day, Independence Day, International Yoga Day, National Doctors Day, International Friendship Day, and Republic Day. From all these celebrations, what did you learn, Pratika? I learned importance of celebrating these days, and I also learned about my roles, responsibilities as citizen of India. Thank you, Pratika. Thank you, Padmanila. I'm going to talk about Colors Day celebration. On that day, we all came in bright colored dress. Our classrooms were decorated with colorful balloons, ribbons, and toys. We celebrated White Color Day, Blue Blossom Day, Red Day, Orange Day, Pink Day, Yellow Day, and Rainbow Day. We also learned that colors make our world beautiful, and each color has a special meaning. Today, I'm going to talk about Nutri-Deal. We have Nutri-Deal common fruit or common dish every month. Nutri-Deal taught me the importance of eating healthy food every day. I learned the fruits got nutritional values. It also helps us to stay healthy. I love big events in our school like Sports Day, Annual Day, SV Hulala, the Kids Carnival, and Sankal, the Academic Fair. On Sports Day, we did mass drill and received prizes. Our physical education is taken care by Sports Village, India's topmost sports education. Faculties from the team are shaping us in sports skills. Now, here we go to choose national level games. On Annual Day, we see a parent dancing and we expose different talents. In SV Hulala, the Kids Carnival, we play many fun-filled games. Which game did you like the most, Navira? I like Toy Train very much. I'm a big engine drive at that time. It was super fun. Oh, really? Navira, let me tell about Academic Fair. We did project along their parents and present them. Our parents also enjoyed the day seeing different projects. Mega, I did the project on the topic adjectives. Navira, that's great. On behalf of all my friends, I thank our school management, our director ma'am, Tumadi D. Saraswati Avahel, our correspondent, Sri P. Venkatesh Raja Avahel, for providing excellent infrastructure, vibrant classrooms, and holistic development in every area. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Sudarshan and Vidyashram, one roof for holistic development. Thank you, Yasvi, for making our journey special and memorable. Thank you, Yasvi.
Journey for you also.